Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with movement fundamentals. Use walking, crouch, and backdash to control spacing and reset neutral. Use light and medium normals to control space and confirm into a 3-hit combo for around 20 to 30% damage. Those normals are safe versus many buttons. Always buffer quarter circle forward motions to link special moves with 8-frame startup normals when possible, so you reduce input timing errors. Practice using backdash and jump at different heights to bait anti-airs and create cross-up opportunities, which open the way for the ender or a shadow move mix-up. For offense, start with a strong open like crouch medium into wind kick. Use wind kick as a plus pressure tool and confirm into auto double for reliable damage and pressure. If you land an auto double, cancel into tiger knee DP or shadow wind kick to extend combos and reach 40 to 50% meterless damage when timed correctly. Use instinct to extend pressure, allowing frame traps, safe jumps, and a guaranteed ender on hit. Mix shadow buttons and command grabs to punish attempted reversals and force defensive mistakes from the opponent. On defense, rely on crouch heavy and parry reactively to reverse unsafe attacks. Parry can convert into a free combo with 1 to 3 bars of meter, so save meter for key moments. Spend meter for an ender or shadow counter when you need a safe reversal or extra 25 to 35% damage, but prioritize life lead and stage control. Adapt playstyle. Patient spacing versus zoning characters, aggressive frame traps versus rushdown characters. Read the opponent, bait unsafe moves, and punish with precise combos and shadow cancels to close rounds efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.